Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of In My Dreams. It's a place where I'm living mine, and I'm going to teach you how to live yours too, because that's what life is about. And today guys, we're at Buwak Hard Park. This is a beautiful park with a beautiful view. And today we're hanging out with Jaron Manofet. Jaron Manofet is a famous Lana folk singer from northern Thailand, and he was actually born in Chiang Mai. And his history is he has 300 composed and performed songs. So let's give it up for Mr. Jaron Manofet. That is pretty awesome. But today we're actually here because I'm going to give you 5 tips of websites and applications that you can use while you guys are here in Thailand. So you can learn how to get around Thailand and find places like this. Okay guys, the first app is going to be Grab. The Grab application is very well known here in Thailand. A lot of people use it. Grab is also good for your food, your transportation. That's what people use Grab for. My recommendation is to definitely use Grab. A lot of people will offer you Bolt. Bolt is another application that you can use here in Thailand. I like to recommend Grab because Grab is actually very safe to use and it's very secure. Basically what I'm trying to say there is that you're not going to have any problems. It shows you the prices that you're going to pay for your food delivery, and it shows you the fair fee up front for you, okay? The reasons why I don't use Bolt is because I've actually had problems on Bolt. I keep running into scammers on Bolt that try to add more to the price even though that's not the real price. So I just decided to not use Bolt. I just strictly use Grab. A lot of people here will tell you the differences between the two, that Bolt is a lot cheaper, but it's really not that much cheaper. It's kind of like the differences between Uber and Lyft. Normally Lyft is normally a little bit cheaper always than Uber, but you know, you get what you pay for. And Uber, you know, you're gonna get somewhere, you're probably gonna have a very, very nice ride there. Lyft, you know, maybe not. But okay, that's the first one. Number 2, guys, is going to be Agoda. Agoda is going to be for your accommodations. Agoda is good for tours, plane tickets, hotels. That's what Agoda is good for. Agoda is also a third-party website from Booking.com. Now, Booking.com is very popular in America. So if you trust Booking.com, you will love Agoda for Asia. And then Agoda is also operated all over Thailand, okay? So definitely go with Agoda. It's very easy to use. The app is very simple. It has all the prices on there. Everything makes sense when you're on there. And it's very secure and you can trust Agoda as well. I've used Agoda many times here in Thailand for accommodation, for staying in hotels and stuff like that. Now, number three is the 12Go app. The 12Go app is great for transportation here in Thailand. It gets you in between cities, so you can buy buses, you can buy plane tickets, train tickets on 12Go. So again, 12Go is good for tickets, for transportation. You can definitely get around with 12Go. Definitely download that app. It's very good, good prices, and you'll be able to enjoy cities in Thailand with 12Go app. The 4th app I want to talk about, it's actually a website. It's called Nikon Chai Air. Nikon Chai Air is a great website. If you're not finding prices that you like, or for some reason you just cannot find a destination on 12Go, I recommend going to Nikon Chai Air app or a website because you can find more bus fares on there. I didn't know about it until one of my Thai friends told me about it. I went on there and then you can see all different types of routes and transportation that you can take on there on nikonchaiair.com. The last website that I would like to talk about, which is number 5. The website's called ticket.com. That's ticket with a K, guys. So this website is great for hotels and other accommodations. I definitely recommend checking this one out. If you don't want to go to the more popular websites, this one has great prices. This one's actually saved me probably close to $100 on hotel bookings from ticket.com. As you see, when you go on this website, everything is straightforward. You can also use ticket.com all over Asia. Let's go over one more time. You're gonna wanna use Grab, Agoda, 12Go, nikonchaiair.com, and ticket.com. That's ticket with a K, guys. That's gonna be the 5 apps and websites that I can recommend for you guys today. So I hope these tips helped you guys. Go ahead and just download these apps and get onto the websites. Just play around with them now. Even if you're not in Thailand now, if you're planning your trip, just hop on there and recognize these sites and get used to using these sites, because they're definitely gonna help you out when you're here. All I have to say is thank you for 600 subscribers, guys. I think we are at 650 subscribers. We're very close to there. Really, thank you so much for the help. I promise you guys, I'm just here. I'm gonna give you guys as much information that I can give you guys so you guys can come out and do the same things here in Thailand. That's what I'm doing this project. That's what In My Dreams is about. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this episode up. Thank you for coming back to In My Dreams. It's a place where I'm living mine, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to live yours too, because that's what life is about.